Dear friends, today's workshop follows up on the workshops that we have already done last year. Last year, we had workshops wherein about 1,000 teachers and about 800 students participated. Those workshops were designed to make everyone aware of the issues in intellectual property rights and also to understand that whatever innovative work we do can be patented. Now, the workshop of today is particularly for patent search. There are many patents which are filed by researchers all over the world, and these patents contain new technologies, new ideas, which have not been previously used by people. Now, these innovative ideas are, of course, things which will go into products in the market tomorrow. They are also the ideas which will be ultimately used in books of technology in various ways. But it takes time for a product to be developed. It also takes time for all these things to get into books. So, a lot of up-to-date material in technology is not available in textbooks. A lot of it is still not used in products because the products may be still getting designed or getting prepared for the market. All these ideas are available in the patent literature. It is important that when a student starts working on a project for his final year, it is innovative. And to see that it is innovative, the best place to look is the patents. When you look at the patents in your area, then you become aware of the technology which is already either in existence or which is already being developed into products. So therefore, it will make you aware of today's status in technology. It will therefore result in a researcher or a developer coming to grips with new ideas and testing his own idea of the final year project against ideas which have already been developed. When you start looking at it in that perspective, many times new ideas will come to you. So what we want is that every student who starts doing his final year project should also do patent search in his area, and when he locates some patents which are of interest to him, he should not only study them, he should prepare a PowerPoint slide and then present it to his class. The idea is that the whole class should become aware of the important patents which are existing. The university is going to give an award to the best patent in every area, best patent presentation in every area. So when a student makes a presentation, we'll see whether it is good, whether it reflects the patent literature well, and whether it is understandable and interesting. And the best one of these presentations will be given awards by the university. So therefore, as soon as you make a presentation, please send it to the university. We will also put it on the website so that the whole of the world can see that this particular group of students, guided by a particular teacher, has studied the patent and they have put that particular patent in a presentation which can be understood by the others also. So please work hard on this, understand how the patent search is done, and then please go back to your classes and inform all the final year students that this kind of patent search they can use to their advantage. And after they have prepared presentations on the patents which they are using, which they are studying, and the patent literature which they find to be useful, then those presentations may please be sent to us. So that is the work that is to be done. we hope that this particular process will make our project work more innovative. It will make our project work more interesting as well as innovative. Thank you.